new channel. My name is Aryan and today I am going to start a new channel. I am of class 1 and I am going to tell you about healthy food and fast food and junk food. Why do we eat fast food? Because they are tasty and so delicious. We should not eat fast food because in our teeth there will be cavity and you will go to hospital. Then your mouth would be not open. That's why we shouldn't eat fast food. But we eat less fast food and junk food. We shouldn't not eat junk food like pizza and burger like this. That's why. And healthy food like carrot, tomato, apple, orange and mango and banana. These are very yummy food and we eat these foods and our food daily. That's why we haven't got any cavity yet. We have strong nest. That's why we fight with others in the playground. In like kusti, that human fight like with knee fight, and that's why. Bye friends.